measuring length, we find out how long and how short something is. For example, when we compare two objects, we can say that first ladder is shorter than the second. When we compare three objects, we can say that this stick is longest and this is the shortest. We can also say that first giraffe is taller than the second giraffe. When we compare three buildings, then we can say that first building is tallest and the last building is the shortest. We use some of our body parts to measure the lengths of objects.
Please explain the method in detail.
Okay. One finger is equal to the width of the middle finger. Let us find out the length of these sharpeners.
It is 1, 2, fingers long.
Another way of measuring lengths of objects is hand span. We will measure the length of the table in your room by using the hand span.
What is a hand span?
See, when we outstretch our hand, the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger is known as 1 hand span.
The table's length is 8 hand spans.
Then we have 1 palm, which is the width of our 4 fingers. Let us measure the length of this painting using palm.
Length of the painting is equal to 5 palms.
Correct. We can use pace to measure bigger distances. 1 pace is the distance from heel of one foot to the toe of the other foot in a step. Come, let us measure the length of this hall using pace.
The length of this hall is 8 paces.
Now shall we measure the length of this cloth?
How will you measure this piece of cloth?
I will measure the length of this cloth in cubits.
What is a cubit?
1 cubit is the distance from your elbow to the tip of your middle finger. Now measure the length of this rod using cubit.
Okay, the length of this rod is 4 cubits.
Neha, do you know we can also use other objects such as small pencils, paper clips, sharpener, etc. to measure lengths?
Really?
See, the length of this book is 5 paper clips. Also, the length of this toy train is 5 pencils.
Thank you, my friend. Now, I can find the length of any object very easily.